This feature will allow you to pre-qualify a client in less than 60 seconds and send them a personalized certificate or report. You can send this to any client, even if they don't have your app downloaded yet. Let's see how it works. So after you've completed the pre-qual wizard on your app, tap into it. If you need to make any changes to it at all, you can tap on the details section, click on edit to make changes. And after you're satisfied, click on save. And you would just need to scroll down to the bottom here where it says share with a client. Tap on start, enter in your client's first name and last name, and their email address. And you're done. Optionally, you can also copy in other email addresses such as a colleague, a co-broker, a referral source, or even a co-applicant. You can enter in as many emails separated by a comma. So I believe we're ready to send one. This will now generate a report and email it to the email provided. And I just want to show you some examples of a few that I've previously done. For instance, here we got a pre-qualification report with branded with the broker's info, the summary, the purchase information, the profile, the debt payments. You get also to see the qualifying rate, the interest rate itself, the GDS, TDS, and the insurabilities. And if you're part of the DLC group, you get some beautiful certificate designs as well. And that's all. Hope you find this feature useful. My name is Ben Salami.